Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, also known as Mimi. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the bell notification so you know when I'm posting my most recent video. So today I want to be basically talking about my locks, and I want to see if you guys can guess how many locks I have. Shoot, I want to guess how many locks I have because I've been combining a few. Not too sure how many I have. So these are what my locks are looking like. So I am excited and I want to see how many locks I have. So if you want to see how many locks I have as well, then keep on watching. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off in 4 sections. So that way I can count all this hair for y'all, because it need to be sectioned off, you feel me? All right, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is 20 right here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. Apparently I don't know how to count. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 14. Making sure I got everything. Okay. So it's looking like I have 114 locks. I originally started with 121 and then I was at 116 and I guess I combined 2 more. Don't even remember when I did that. So these are what my locks is looking like. Listen, I am just going to say, side note, this is a little side note right here, a little side note for y'all. I have been noticing a little growth spurt with my hair. As you can see, these ends right here, I don't know where it came from. I'm coming back to how long my length was before I started my locks, and it was right about here. And I could tell that my hair is starting to elongate, like it's crazy. But I feel like these pieces right here are taking forever to grow. Those are my little areas that just annoy me just a little bit, but we gon' go with it, we gon' flow with it, and we gon' keep it pushing. You already know. I just want to let y'all know that I am reaching my 1-year lock journey soon. I am going to be locked for 1 year in the next 2.5 weeks. So definitely stay tuned for my 1-year lock journey and also my 1-year lock update, so you guys can kind of get a feel of how my journey for my 1 year has been going, what I've been noticing, changes. So don't forget to stay tuned for my next video coming out next week. But anyways, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support. I see you new subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing and liking my videos. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know that you're a new subscriber, where you're from, how you doing. Are you on a log journey, or you just wanted to see my videos, you know, make me feel good or whatever. But I just want to say thank you guys for all the support. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Let me tell y'all, trying to record a video before you gotta go to work 8 minutes ago, it's kind of hard, but this video is going out. It's coming out. It's getting out. Y'all finna see. Y'all gon' see. Y'all gon' know how I flow, cause I go all the low. Hey, I'ma stick to my day job.